Okay, I've been waiting for this moment forever. Well, not really forever, but I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. And today, I am completely redoing our office space. We went to ikea, we bought these desks, we're ready to put it together to build it and make this space finally feel like our home office. So let me show you guys a little bit what we got going on right now. So over here is my wife's office area. So this is what it looks like when you first kind of walk into the office, okay? You got the door right here, so you walk in and you got her area and then you have my area, and I'm moving that desk right now because we got to bring everything through the window. So that's my area to the corner, as you can tell. And over here, we got some setup, but it's just kind of plain Jane. This is kind of what it looks like right now. And I'm gonna show you a better view a little further out from this way. So this is what you're looking at right now. And I'm gonna bring everything in here and start setting this bad boy up so that you guys can see the finished product. I'm so stoked for this. So I'll make this a quick one. Okay, so the hardish, easiest part's over with. That stuff is heavy. So, got my cup of coffee, gonna throw on a little sermon, and got myself my toolkit. I'm gonna get to work. I got 3 separate cabinet things to build, but then after that, it's a home stretch from there. So I'm excited. I'm out of breath still, as you guys can tell. That was a little wild. So yeah, let's get to work. Okay, so my battery died, but I finished one cabinet, and that took roughly about an hour to an hour and 5 minutes, but it's always longer the first time I go. So I got 2 more. I'm gonna go ahead and rock those out, and I'll let you know if that's faster the second time around. And then after those are built, then we can start organizing. Okay, I finished building the other 2. My second one took about 50 minutes, I think, so I cut that down quite a bit. And then the last one was probably 30 minutes. The last one went by really fast because I knew what I was doing. So I finally built these bad boys. Let me give you guys another tour of what the room looks like before we start, moving everything. I'm gonna give you guys another grand tour. So when you first walk in, to your right, this is what you're looking at. And I wanna show you guys what my setup was before. So this was it, your typical mouse, keyboard, all that stuff I got for Christmas. So I'm about to upgrade my mouse and keyboard too, so that'd be dope. So that's what mine looks like. And hey there, little. And then this is what her space looks like. So I can't wait to see what this looks like. Let me give you guys one more far back view. Come on, Littles, back it up. Back it up. This is another view before we finish our touches. So let's do this. Shut off our computers.
We have to unplug them?
Yep. Alright guys, we finally finished the whole setup. It's 10 o'clock, we started at 6:30, so you do the math. It's been a while, but come on, let me show you my office space. Come on, right over here. Over here, nothing too crazy, We got a custom-made marble top
I
by
made
yours
it.
truly, Littles. Then we got a nice little. It's a crappy TV, but it still works. So we got that, and we got this little robot.
Why is it crappy?
I'm just kidding. It's not a 4K TV, but it's what we like to use to watch some TV. And then we got the robot. She's always comes in handy. The little Roby. Over here we have our calendar, right? But I know you guys didn't come for that. So come on this way. Let me show you what we're working with. Look at that. So before, you guys seen that trashy setup. Well, I got myself a new keyboard. When this is on.
I got you.
When this is on,
Keyboard.
it lights up, has a whole little show. It's the Ducky Mini, and then I got the Logitech MX Master 3 mouse, so I'm super stoked to use that. My editing production is gonna go through the roof. Hey, where you going? We got some beats over here.
Those are mine.
Absolutely not.
That was for my birthday.
No, the laptop was for your birthday.
And it came with that.
And that's mine. Anyways, she has a pair of Beats she never wore, so yeah, these are mine. This is a second monitor, which I'll upgrade one day so it kind of flows better. This is my gaming chair.
You got him this.
She got me this, nothing too crazy over there. We just got some motivational words. The reason I wanted to get this desk, hey, back over here. The reason I wanted to get this desk is, let me show you guys. First off, look at the ginormous space. Secondly, look at the storage I have. All of these come out. Anyways, all those come out phenomenal. Those took forever to build. Totally worth it. Come over here. We're gonna go to Little side. So right here is our splitting point. You do not come across this line.
The plant.
So I get half the plant. She gets half the plant. So I get half the oxygen. She gets the other half. So Littles, would you like to walk us through yours?
Yeah.
So this is my candles. I put this one in here, in there, and then this one. This is my laptop where I watch YouTube. And then these are my pen holders for my cousin. She also got me that plant. This is where I put my SD cards and paper clips and things like that. This is where I put my water. This is my mouse pad and my brand.
Oh yeah, check her out.
Go watch my YouTube channel. This is what I use to wear because I get cold. I know it doesn't match the theme, but I get cold. And this is what I use for my back so I don't die because I sit here for too long. I have a footstool that's really old, but I use that. And then over here is my merch. Dreamer to Doer notepad, sticky notes, a little essentials bag, my coffee warmer, and then in this I'm gonna put all my sticky notes, some highlighters, my to-do pads, and things that I do every single
A
day.
little toenail polish.
No, it's a highlighter.
Whoa.
And then down here, I think I'm gonna have my planner and some planner things. Yeah. And then do they want to see what's in here?
Yeah, we can show them what the big boy looks like. It's just a big closet with a vision board, and we have our storage for now with all of our camera gear. Got the printer, stuff like that. So let me give you guys another whirl around. This is what we're rocking with. Look at that storage, or whatever you want to call that. And it's just so much cleaner. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm. See, Bub didn't want us to have a sharing desk, and I forced him to, and now he
We were at IKEA, and she didn't even let me get the big desk. I was gonna get
Look how much.
I was gonna get one this size, and I really didn't want to, because if you're gonna do it, you gotta go all out. And she said the only way I can do it is if we combine. So I said, all right, this is how we're gonna do it. So we got a middle one to split us right there. And here we are, folks. Well, that's it for this video, folks. Thank you for joining us on our office tour makeover. Hey, if you have any tips down below, give it there. Let us know what you do in your office space. That doesn't make sense. What should they comment? Help me out here, Littles.
Do you have an IKEA in your city?
Ooh, I like that. Thank you for watching us today, folks, on our home office decor makeover, the Kells edition. Hey, let us know if you have an IKEA at your city or town, wherever you stay. Do you like our setup? Any tips for us? Any advice? Anything. Let us know what you guys thought in this video, for we love what we did with the place. Do you guys love what we did with the place? Hey, leave a like down below with a comment. Subscribe. Go check out Little's channel if you want to be a business owner like us. We love you guys.
Why is your voice so creepy?
Peace.